Hey everyone, welcome to another Locofy tips and tricks video. About 3 months ago, we launched support for custom Tailwind config. Now we're rolling out support for importing your custom Sass config. Just another way that Locofy is constantly adapting to your existing workflow. You can import your custom Sass by configuring your code settings in Locofy, and there are a few places where you can do that. First is by creating a new project. You can do this by opening up the Locofy plugin and click on Create New in the drop-down over here. Select the framework that you want to work with, and you'll be brought to your code settings over here. Under the styling section, you'll see an option for Sass, and if you click on it, you'll be given an option to import your Sass config. You can always configure this even after your code has been generated, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Alrighty, I've already Locofied my design, and I can see all my generated code down here. So the second way to configure your code settings in Locofy is by clicking on the code settings icon here at the bottom right. You'll see the same code settings that you saw when creating a project, and you can see the import Sass config button down here. I'm going to click on this, and you can see that a text input field has appeared where I can paste my code. Before I paste my code, keep an eye on these lines. So line number 2, and line number 31 and 32 as well. Those are going to change into variables when I paste my code in. So let's do that right now. You can see line 31 and 32 are now using variables, as well as line number 2 over here. Let's go ahead and delete that just to show you what it looks like before and what it looks like after. You'll see that the code here is regenerating on the fly to reflect your custom Sass config. There is one last way to configure your code settings. You can still do that in the Locofy builder by clicking on the code settings button over here, or in the File Explorer page over here on the right. All right, that's it. This feature is already live, so give it a go and let us know if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions. See you guys in the next video.